Let the glimpse of history touch your soul, the political aura make you powerful, and the winds of north tingle your spine. Delhi is the place where people from all over the India live, which tends to influence the lifestyle and ideas, with a history that's both rich and tragic. Delhi isn't just a city, it's a universe of its own. New Delhi is the only Asian city listed in the top 10 global cities for travelers' choice destinations on the rise. Delhi is an amazing place to explore. With a rich history and its spellbinding monuments, Delhi is dotted with some jaw-dropping attractions to explore. From the carvings of Mughal rulers to astonishing Islamic architecture, Delhi never gives up a chance to leave an impression on its visitors. Delhi attracts tourists from every nook and corner of the world, not only for exploring the sightseeing of the place, but also for shopping in Delhi. The bustling markets of the city are very popular among the travelers as well as local people. The charm of the shopping extravaganza has a great range of selection, right from the traditional jewelry to the handicrafts of the latest fashion. Delhi is not just a place to live, but one can enjoy food. Delhi represents a food utopia, an Epicurean paradise of sorts, with cuisines for just about every palate. Whether it is Mughlai splendors, street food discoveries, or global foods with an Indian twist, Delhi is the place to be. Delhi has also seen a lot of changes in past few years, with having better roads, flyovers and excellent metro lines, making life easier for people to ride smoothly in and around the city.
Like the previous conferences which have been hosted by Delhi, I can assure all the delegates and the ISCTS member that the conference will be highly successful. It will be a rich experience as far as the scientific content is concerned. Delhi being the capital of India, there will be enough sightseeing places, and all the delegates, besides getting involved in the scientific content, will have enough sightseeing places and enjoy the conference, not only themselves but with their family members also.
It would be a great honor for the cardiac surgical group in Delhi to host the CTCon in 2020. I can assure you that the delegates can look forward to an extremely vibrant and fruitful scientific program. In addition, Delhi offers many other attractions in the form of a wide variety of cuisines, in the form of historical monuments and the many tourist attractions that Delhi can prefer. And most of all, the well-known historical and the grandeur of the city, as well as its tremendous hospitality. On behalf of all the surgical team in Delhi, I once again urge you to please cast your vote in favor of Delhi as the host city for CTCon 2020.
I'm actually joining the pitch for getting the conference, the ISCTS conference for the year 2020 to the NCR region, Delhi and the NCR. I mean, there are multiple reasons for this pitch. The fact being that we in North India, or actually a large part of the work on cardiovascular is done in the NCR region. There is a lot of enthusiasm in innovation and new techniques, teaching and all that, all centered around here. It lends itself to be a perfect venue because we have enough hotels, like right now, like the Grand Hotel, to actually accommodate and provide services of a very high order so that the conference can be held at an international standard, and the backup systems and the beverages and the food and all that will meet that standard also. So it's more importantly, Delhi is extremely well connected to the country and to the world. So I think with all these attributes that we have, with an enthusiastic faculty, a lot of work being done, a lot of innovations being done, a lot of teaching faculty available, And as I said, Delhi is the center of India. From that point of view, it has the ancient history, it has the buildings, it has Lutyens Delhi, it has many, many monuments. Agra is nearby, Jaipur is not so far. So it actually is a very attractive destination for all of us. And I think that it'll be an important venue. It'll add a lot of value to our society and the meeting that we hold. And I hope that the jury will actually consider it seriously and award the 2020 meeting to Delhi. Thank you so much.
The Grand is the city's most distinguished luxury hotel, an ideal destination for the 2020 conference. The hotel, with its personalized services and exemplary hospitality, is the quintessential address to relax, unwind and explore the city at your own pace.